right, let's do this. Live with the icon, Come and you want me now. Come on now. Yes, sir. Greetings. How you doing, sir? Can you hear me?
Go on.
All good, brother. All good. First of all, I would like to thank you for spending time with me here, with us here. I'd just like to say you already know this already, but what you don't know is that you're one of my 4 bud DJ from the 90s, you see me? So I've interviewed Hawkeye and Mega. So you're number 3, sir. So yes, thank you very much.
Yeah, man, much respect, man. You don't know from you keep up the thing, you know, you keep the music alive, you know, you don't know. His blessings always there for give the strength, you know?
Yes, sir. So, ladies and gentlemen, may I please introduce the man who calls himself the cat from the alley, the TG alley, right? This is Alley Cat.
AKA the
Imperial Alley Cat, okay? This is the man who has the greatest intros in dancehall history. We might go through some of them still. So tell the people a little bit about yourself, sir.
Well, you don't know the Imperial Alley Cat. Very humble youth. You see me I say? You don't know me as a youth where well focused when it comes to the music. Always a write songs. Always a program the music. You see me I say? Do a lot of reading. See me I say? Always I think ahead in terms of which new song me I got put together for come with. You see me I say? And you don't know me as a youth. I don't like the animosity. We not too like you see the whole heap of toss up where you see most of them artists in a self away from that. You see me I say?
Yes.
Always try to keep it positive. You see me I say business minded and always make sure say we tread upon the most right part possible.
Yes, indeed. Well, I will say that humility that you speak of does come out in your music, and we've never ever heard your name associated with any kind of friction or rarity with no boy. So, you know, and plus, even saying that, the quality of your music though is bad still. It's as if you're in war. It's as if, you know, when you execute the tune them, it's like you're killing somebody. But that's how bad the music is. We love it. Thank you.
Definitely, man. I even right now, presently.
Yes.
The music, we can't tell the massive them. So right now, the music are gonna even get even more stronger because some catalogs of songs we have to unleash. Believe me, powerful.
Well, I have to say, throughout the years, you're not a DJ that fell off. It's just a lot of the times I'm noticing with your type of quality, because you're not hype and you're not into the rare. It's like your name doesn't carry the weight like it should and how it used to. I'm not sure why that is. It's very strange. It's something that seems to be going on a lot, especially in Jamaica. I'm not sure what that's about.
We can definitely touch, but all right. You see the thing the way I talk about is really true. We know, say, Jamaicans, them love the passa, them love the animosity, them love the negativity. And them like for see when you always are getting a trouble and you always are mixed up in the wrong kind of stuff. Make me go there tomorrow and involve in something where not look right. You see me there all over the news. You find one bag of sound man start run with me song them cause some kind of controversy there for my name.
Yeah.
But you see, when we go so now and try on a nice profile and we try to keep it positive and we keep out of the animosity, for some reason, it's like, I don't know, but it's like them not like when you trod that route there. I don't know, but right now to be, that is like backway star.
Yeah.
I say, I the artists them where I hold it up, I show a positive levels of, and I show and I can show an example.
Yeah.
For younger artists to follow. Them supposed to put certain highlight pan in the maximum way possible, but for some reason I don't know. Probably it's bad mind. Who to tell?
How could we know? But
yeah, man, you know my thing staying from day one, we never fall off, You see me, I say my thing always good, always clean, You see me, I say I always let people want, people always wonder, yo, oh the DJ, but that is the thing. We are one of the positive, educated, on-point artists them where we know how to maintain the thing. We have made investments from back in the past when we are doing things from long time. So it's like you never see we past certain level. You see me I say? And a lot of people, as we say, for some reason, them don't like to see it in a them light there. So you see me, but we have to just do what we have to do, and great music out now and great music still coming. So we just keep maintaining, because the tables always go around and come back around, So
indeed.
When the smoke clear and everybody sitting in them house and them back against the wall, them are going to come right back. Because the music now going to stop. It's going to scan continuously.
Thank you. Because we need it.
Really?
We need it. So as you are aware, I'm a very passionate reggae dancehall collector, 45.
Yeah.
Especially of, late 80s, 90s, and 2000, probably up to like 2008, because right now they don't really make 45 like that. It's bare digital. So I don't, but of the music I actually collect, it's mostly that. I do have the digital things, and I do have a lot of your more recent music, but I would like to stick a pin in 5 songs that I would like a backstory to, some of the songs that popped up through your career.
Yeah.
Yes. So I want to start. There was a hit song that you had in 1996. I believe this was the first time I saw you feature on Dave Kelly's label, Extra Large.
Yeah.
The Stink Rhythm. Yes. Gala Says She At, right?
Yeah.
Gala Says She At, yeah. Which was, I believe, the first huge one. Because you had big tunes, yes, but this was a bomb, right?
Yeah. I did just do earlier on, I did do the first hit back in the days first.
You see, I was trying to bait, listen, rude boy, I was trying to bait you up, because that's the exact song that I'm that tuned me while you talk about. See, so we're just gonna play a little bit, so you can, so if you remember correct, and then I will just speak on this song. All right, people, this is Alicat. Fat Eyes is the label. That is Bulby. And let's just roll, man. This is 1995. Listen to this.
It's like some gal know where them standing up. See? Watching up. Here it goes. So me sing say, because say she got her, but I better she see ma. I do the man gripper and everything is better. From the one of the tell, the man no man tell. Then everything is boom shell. Me sing again, because say she got her, but I better she see ma. I do the man gripper and everything is better. From the one of the tell, the man no man tell. Then everything is boom shell. Well, make her do up her face like she want rebel. Better she got the ears and then go to well. Because the man them left her wrong, because the mirror she sell we and I get a
Mel.
So she have bought 2 pieces of garments. She have one like you want the residence. She get A1 use and I don't put the clothes. She can't put a foot in your shoe.
Mad. Brethren. So please tell us the story about that tune.
All right, you see that song there now? Boom. I build that song there and have it. Get it off a melody where and my voice it for Bulby, you know. See,
Okay.
but the song never did really make it out. It get some play, but it never was a big hit. Pan Bulby label, because you know, upon the rhythm did that Bounty Killer with Stucky.
Killer. Yes.
Yeah.
No. It was Babylon System. It have done. Rare. That was the
Stucky, man. It never have Stucky on the rhythm there too.
No. Stucky.
Just
You did voice a tune pan Stucky, which was Magal Gabagal, you know, where them
yeah. We get it a little piece. Yeah, for real.
Yes, sir.
So,
yeah.
So the Killer them did a lead and I run the place. See?
Yeah.
So the man never did really hit like that yet. So when we go around a Dave Kelly now and me hear the rhythm and me I say, yo, you know, say that song ya still have a whole heap of potential. Me go just flip that back that song ya and just use back some different version of the song.
Yeah.
You see me, so now me end up instead of I say Gala say Shiata instead of Meta say Shiata, and then me drop 3 new verse. So we just use back the punchline and just drop 3 new verse and voice it back for Dave Kelly.
Yes.
And it definitely did work. All my mind did that thing, because it just take off. You see me, and sometimes them things that make sense in life, because if you realize Bob Marley sing over One Love, One Heart, Let's Get Together about 4 times before it really become a world hit, you know.
Yeah.
If you look, you listen back about 4 times, you may not remix it and do it over. So sometimes you have to do that with some song when you know it have real potential and you know it can go far. You have to remix it back. Yes, so one of them and it worked.
Yeah, it really did. I mean, I love the first one. To be personally, I love the first one. Yeah, but
you know the second one got a real international level. So at the end of the day, I have no regrets.
Yeah, of course. You know, at the end of the day, we look back at the catalog and we say, yo, the work speaks for itself. So, you know, thank you.
Definitely.
All right. So, as you know, I don't want to play the obvious tune then. We all know why we know you, but we're trying to step back so people can learn and appreciate how bad, you know, the catalog and how strong it is.
Yeah,
so, we go to 1996 and you put out a game called Low Game, which was, I would say, one of your biggest anthems.
Game.
Yes.
Yeah.
One of your biggest anthems, right? And you did voice a tune on another rhythm and another label with the same kind of flow, but different chorus. So I'm going to play this tune and I want you to speak on it. You ready?
All right. Yeah.
All right. Let's roll.
I understand this is the golden child. Well, this is my pride. I'm a walking big man in a flying car. That man for little boy, you know. Anyway, so me sing, that's where your pride and get brave. Well, a long time you have me love in a rage. Liam say you big up me good underage. That's why we are repression on the cage. Oh man, that's where your pride and get brave. Well, a long time she have me love in a rage. Liam say you big up me good underage. That's why we are repression on the cage. I sing well, she claims she no want a little boy because we are tall and she want a the ride. But if you only give me the chance to show the romance, so that jump and prance. Worse if she all feel pain, she can't sustain the earth up her brain. She a go tell all her best friend, one more she going come back again.
Big tune.
Yo. So that was Don Youth's label, right? Golden Child. So speak about that experience. Yeah.
Big up Dan Youth. Anyway, there. The other day
anyway.
Pick up yourself, Dan Youth.
Done by name, done by nature.
All right.
Brand yeah. The question was, we want to hear the story behind that tune. And, you know, what was it like? The experience, the studio, whatnot? How did it all come about?
Oh, all right. The Dash for Your Pride and Get Brave actually really and truly are half of the same bow game melody still, you know.
Yes, of course.
Same bow game melody, but if you notice, because you see sometimes you have some melody we're catching in there, you can't really just let it go from a one song.
Yeah.
You you have to just draw it out and stretch it out until it can't use no more. You see me? I'm an example. Remember Monster Empire, them man, they did have some a melody where them just use it until it just get played out.
Yeah.
Never stretch it out like that, but we just use it in the second song.
Yeah.
The melody was so bad, me I say, yo, me can't just use it in a ball game alone. Me have to make a girl song.
Yes,
you
sir.
Yes, sir. See, you don't know them time than you to go on good and
yeah.
I got shot that song up on the rhythm, and it was the build the song as won't be there studio at the time. See? It's like woman come through and me I say, yo, me like after lady, I know she look nice and everything. And she say, yo, where you little youth, man, where you talk about? You see me, I say, you're not ready for this yet. See, Killian truly, when me just a break out in the business, them time, me I just 17, 18, just finished high school, you know.
Yeah,
so the boy, you're too young for the thing, you're not ready yet. I mean, I said, dash show your pride and get brave, man. You see me? So, if you listen to the lyrics of the song, I tell her, I say, listen, we can angle the thing so nobody get stuck up.
Yes, sir. Yes, I love it. All right. I love
yeah,
that,
you know, them time they, all right, you see them time they, madam, the song them, you supposed to know. The song them in the 90s have greater meaning to life. The song them have a strong body, a storyline behind them.
Exactly.
You see me? And I just, that's one of the things why the 90s stand out so strong. Yeah.
Yes. And again, you were one of those artists where it wasn't just lyrical, but your words and, you know, the ingredients that went into the music was potent. You didn't just talk something because it sounded good. Your tune then made sense. You know what I mean? So I mean, again, that's the reason why you're one of my top. So and of course, it's still the same thing today, and it's not exactly a quality that you can just have if you just want to just turn DJ overnight. You know, you have to have it in you. So you're clearly somebody that had it from get go. You know, so
exactly. Yeah, yo, the amount of phone call me get day in day out. Cause you know, in Jamaica, every one of the radio station them right now. Them have them ready for day. I can get phone calls day in, day out. Everybody have them. Everybody, I don't know how the radio them do it, but nobody no clash when it comes to them retro day. Zip on Monday, Sun City Monday, Zip Tuesday, IRA FM Wednesday, and everybody day different. And we can get phone calls like every single day, like, yo, DJ, me I listen up on the radio. The man them just play about 6 alley. So and the talk is not for the young youths them want know me personally. Because the songs them is just still playing, still I make go up on crazy mixtape, still I mash up the dance them, and the youths them I wonder, yo, that youth here, you see me? Not for them know me through the Instagram and thing, but the youth them still want to know more about the Imperial, because them still hear so much songs with them love.
Yes.
From them way.
Yeah, and I suggest if there's any artists, especially younger artists that's tuning into this, you know, it's gonna go up on YouTube, another stage. But anybody listening in, you know, learn from people like Alicat. You know, this is a living legend. He has a lot to teach you about the game, about your craft. Learn from the greats. He's still here. Let's use this library and wealth of knowledge in terms of the music game. So that's my message to the people then. So anywho, I was in two minds to play this one or not, because again, I try my best not to play the obvious hits there. But I need to justify why I call you the intro king, because your intros are bad. So remember the tune, we mentioned it already. We talked about the bowl game tune. In the beginning of the bowl game tune, you had an intro. Left bow ya, alikata. Remember that?
Yeah. Yeah.
And eventually Left Boya became a tune that you did voice for Buccaneer, right?
Yo, you see you know, play, you have the thing down to the T. You see what I say? Yeah, man. That's all right.
Yes.
You know, that's how I say me I go do that interview. You come and say, yo, something about that brother here, you know. You know, so it's not normal. You see me I say, when you collect the 45 them and you keep them personal, you don't even want to give it to a man even ask for it. A man, you see me I say, you have a special thing where before you let it go, me know say, all right, that you yeah, not normal.
Yeah, man. Well, I'm in love with the music. You know what I said? Because I mean, especially like let's say your music, for instance. As I did say to Mega and it's like when we were walking in school them time there, you know, when we used to hear them tune, back in the days I was a kid, but not anymore. And they got to go out on a girls tour. Them tune there, we would walk a road bridging and draw a gal with them tune in our mind. You know what I mean? So your music would set the tone for the day. You see me?
Yeah.
So it's like, yeah. So for me, I love the music so much. I collect it, and not only that, I don't hear it too tough. So even when you're talking about in yard, they're doing the retro days, and over here, and a lot of the time when I'm hearing people doing the retro thing, it's the same tunes we're hearing, and I'm not hearing the catalog of tunes that is out there. But you know, so I'm just paying homage and just trying to shine a light on a part of the music that, you know, we don't really get too tough. That's all I'm here for. But I'm a fan. You see me? So anyway.
Yeah.
I have to play this tune. It is one of your biggest ones, but I just need people to hear the intro. It's one of the baddest intros in musical history. All right? We're going to 1997 with this. I think it probably voiced 96, because some of the tune that we're going to have, it says 96, some say 97, but early 97, late 96. All right, boom. Ready?
Yeah.
House kill them, Tara kill them. You have your children, daddy don't mind them. House kill them, Tara kill them. Lord Alicia, woman, you have the key for the Lexus. That's right for 2000, you not take us. Get right certain, girl, I get nervous. You a lead the whole world, I sing my chorus. High speed, but no enough, girl, a groupie. That's true, but you a miss cutie. That's you in your DKNY. Them a made, and then the clothes that we right up about the top, so ain't no girl.
Crazy.
Yo. Oh man. So so again, that was, you did voice that one for Buccaneer. I believe that was one of the first rhythms that he put out. So tell us the story behind that.
All right. I want to tell you, I'm going to give you the secret behind that song there. You remember the song with Jay-Z and
Foxy Brown.
Foxy Brown, though. When I say, ain't no woman I've got, no one can do it. I'd a rap tune them and listen and I say, yo, you know, so that melody, what you know? You see? The melody is sick. I just can't get the melody out of my brain. You see? And I say, yo, I'm going to flip the melody here. See? And I saw now Buccaneer link me and I say, yo, DJ, me have a bad rhythm. Me need you upon it. I know right them chat and everybody want a voice. So I say, all right. I'm going to get that melody in my brain and I just pencil out the thing. You see, because them time that I want to tell you too, you know, the song itself, you know, there's a real meaning behind it too, you know. The words them in the song and I just make up, you know. There was some things where they go on, where they real. You see, in the song. So I saw me get the melody for that song there and unleash it. And I want to tell you, a red rat in the background, I say, oh yeah, you know.
Raw. Okay. I did not know that.
A red rat that I say, oh yeah. Because the night when me have voice, I think him did end up voice after me with Mood of Shame.
Dwayne,
Yeah, so I saw that song that come about and another big hit.
Mad. Yeah. Mad. Now, I mean, for me, that particular tune, anytime I did hear that drop, in fact, that, not a lot of people know this about me, but I only started to buy reggae dancehall from 1997, because that's the year I finished high school.
Yeah.
And that tune was one of the tunes that made me know, yo, we have to find some tune and start select tune. So thank you.
Like an influencer.
No, definitely. 100%. 100%. Definitely. But anytime them, when I'm playing in dances, anytime I drop them that tune, people go mad because they don't hear them all the time, but they tune them bad. You see me? So again, salute to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, just again, we are speaking to the legend that is the Immperial Alley Cat. All right. By the way, support and like and every single thing this man is doing, because he's got a lot of material out there, all on iTunes and all of the musical platforms out there. Support this guy because he is one of our icons. We are not in the business of waiting till someone's dead before we put them up and list them and say, yo, they're good, they're this, they're that. We're doing this now. So again.
All right. You see that right there, so I have to respect you for that, because it look like I don't know for them in Jamaica a wait pan. So we end up drop out till me hear enough artists start singing about the same thing. Don't wait until we lose our life before you start say, yo, was a bad DJ and him did do this and him did that. Do it now while we are alive. Give away we respect, give away the levels that we've been doing. Don't wait until we before. You know?
Yes.
Give it to us now, man, and it means that you always a fight for them thing there in the business, because yo, for some reason I don't know, but Jamaica them need for start highlight the youth them, no matter even if there's a bunch of them, give them respect, because enough man them try last. We do a lot of works, enough artists them try ignore just because them are everybody are run down the quick hype and the, you know. So just give it the right respect what we deserve, man. Radio man with them on the radio play the music them, the new music them where you get.
Yes, definitely.
Sound man, drop the song them. Zin?
And sound man, cut the dubs. You will chop up white throat with them tune there. Trust me, because they're not expecting that.
You see it, as some know you are really old. I know much. I see some sound man in a clash and I say, yo, if him just ever have that song here and drop it with confidence, he wouldn't know the forward way he would get. But enough man is not leaders, you know. Enough man are followers. You see me I say? And we get to realize enough man would never know the true hype or the true levels of a song unless somebody else have to introduce it to them or play it for them. And I feel like some of the time some of that happen. Everybody have follow the hype and everybody have follow this and follow that, and them forget some of the real things them what them need until them see somebody come knock them in the head with it. And then them say, but you know?
Well, I mean, as you know, my platform on Instagram only for the moment. I'm setting up my YouTube, but I only exist to do that. That's all I've ever done. I mean, even when I was on radio from almost 20 years ago, I only played quality, you know, dancehall music, and I would always play man like you, Hawkeye them, Power Man, exactly, so Brando, exactly. So I understand, and of course, you know, you're coming from, I mean, you're a bad DJ anyway, but the stable that you came out of was a next something, because that Shocking Vibes thing, rude boy, what you lot set up was, nobody ain't messing around with that. I would say, pound for pound, that Shocking Vibes was the best crew out of all of the crew them.
Yeah,
Monster,
man.
Scare Them, 2000, you know, definitely.
Yeah, man. We take this, man. Powerful crew at the time, man.
And
we set the trend for all of them. After we have then you have all the crews them start come along.
Yes. and I'm even taking Beanie Man out of it, by the way. So I'm not saying because of Beanie Man. I'm taking him out of that and saying, yo, outside of Beanie Man, shocking vibes, but every artist mad. You know what I mean? So anyway, again, it's an honor to have you here. I don't want to take too much of your time, but we are reason to vibes. So, tune number 4.
Yeah.
Very hard to pick out 5 tunes for you because I have so many favorites and so many that I'd like to talk about. But I try my best. So you worked with Rookie Productions a few times.
Yeah, Rookie, big up Rookie anyway there.
Yes. And the tune then were your vice for Rookie. Yeah, have we left him? Well, have we lost Alicat? No, he's still there. Okay. Yeah. Ready again. Yeah, can you hear me? Yeah, boom, boom, boom. All right, so tune number 4 is we're going to go to 1998, and this is a Rookie production. Again, another one of my favorites, something that was crazy bad, but we don't hear it every day. So without further ado, let's get into this one. Ladies and gentlemen, the Imperial Alley Cat, let's roll.
Yo, turn up that phone there. Yo, hear me now. Hey, up in your clothes, because you can't done. What's around is still a road. Don't make a long pose, because you're still young. What's around is still a road. Hey, up in your clothes, because I your one. What's around is still a road. Don't make a long pose, because you're still young. What's around is still a road. So we say, your dirty body look right in your ladder. Your body in your toes, see young Gabana. Them can't take up on your hat, and name so why not? Hotness of one month of young color. Your bump on your breast pointed like hammer. Your belly, you make your shape right and proper. Slim and trim, everything them together. Look at can't call your heart.
Those. Yeah, man. Mad something. Yo.
Bro.
All right, when you think back, yo, me a spit fire like a dragon.
Hard.
Yo, music a pop like crazy. Yeah, tell me done.
Yes, sir. Hard.
Yeah,
oh, man.
It's a Rookie now. Rookie was a engineer in a Penthouse, you know. And
yes.
me linking up with Rookie, me have to big up Rookie for years because you know, say I really Rookie give me the break, the real break to end up get a foot in the business. And I can tell the people them how that come about. Me there on the road as a youth to come from school every day and I try to me I say, wish musical complex me can go find for let them hear my talent for give me a break. I try a couple places and it never work. And one day, I dip on the bus, jump on the bus, I say me I go find the studio. And I know where Penthouse there now, and for some reason it was like about 6, 7 o'clock in the evening, sun just gone down and dusky. And the bus stop off right at Slipe Road, the Penthouse there. I say, yeah, hear me, I got chance it for go to the studio, but because Penthouse is a studio, all the gate always locked and you always have a security. They security. So you can't get in at the studio. But for some reason, my mind just says, come off right and try it.
Yeah.
When come off, nobody know they are the studio gate. Like the security gonna take a break, go and buy a rum or something. I'm gonna go slip through the gate and reach up at the studio.
No, come back.
Yeah.
The
audition, two artists. So what me do, me just go stand up beside them like the third artist and just fit myself in calm. But don't see what I go on and see them two artists here audition. And a Rookie was the engineer and audition them at the time. And me I say, me a part of the thing too, man. So I say two of them and them go do them thing and come out and I say, my time. And the man goes and drop the rhythm where Buju and Berry Sam and just a little more time pan.
Yes. The young gal rhythm. Too young to be that rhythm. Yeah.
Just a little more time and it's spending.
Saddest Day, Wayne Wonder.
Yeah. Saddest Day rhythm that too, right?
Yeah.
I'm going to go some woman, which song I go drop on this? I have a song that say, woman, you have me in a suspense after me, I wait so long. You don't want to give me the, it never released nor anything, but that song them use as the audition song.
Mm-hmm.
And Rookie say, yo, that song you bad, put on them up on the tape. See? And the man said, I have to make Jeremy in this. I was the only one who passed the audition that day, you know.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
And I was the one who come from out of nowhere. And I saw me get a foot through the gate because when Rookie take that voice, Rookie said, listen, anytime you can always come back to the studio. I like how you sound and you're going to make Donovan Jeremy hear your thing. I will take it from there. So I saw now I get for go to the studio because the next time I reach the studio, the gate man never know who this was. And I'm lock me and I said, and a Rookie let me in, and that was it. From that, I saw me start get for meet everybody. We in the one that see Buju and see all the rest of artists, them Barry Salmon, Woodworks, Terry Ganzi. You see me I say, and I saw now we get for start, get my foot through the door. And I want to tell you too, them time the shocking vibes. Just are coming at the complex, the building them were shocking vibes that I work through it. When me passed that audition there, Gussie Clark just move out at a complex there and gone up a Windsor Avenue. And shocking vibes come and take Gussie Clark office.
See, all right, okay.
Zane and I saw now shocking vibes / Penthouse. I work out at the same complex. And Dave Kelly was the engineer for Penthouse. Rookie was the engineer for Penthouse, but him was the younger engineer. And Dave Kelly was the master engineer. And Shocking Vibes across the road. And Shocking Vibes, no, across the way. And Shocking Vibes like Wednesday and Tuesday and Wednesday for them day in the studio. Dave Kelly would take a Thursday and half a Friday. And the rest of the day then belongs to Penthouse.
Wow.
And the studio, 1 and 2 little other outer producer used to come and work the studio, but it was most of them 3 producer there really work the studio. Shocking Vibes, Penthouse, and Dave Kelly with film Madhouse crew.
Madhouse, yeah. Wow. You see, you know what? This amazes me because, of course, I'm listening to the music. So I hear all this, but you're giving me the history behind everything. So I'm like, that's why when you buy certain albums, you see certain names on it. Tony Kelly, Dave Kelly, Rookie. What's his name? Was it Horrell, right? What's his name?
Andre Tyrel.
Andre Tyrel, that's right. Andre Tyrel, yeah.
All our family, you know.
Yes.
You know, and the vibe them time they did nice.
Yes.
Because and I just, you did have Tony Rebel, Marcia Fitz, Cutty Rankin, Terry Ganzi,
Terry Fabulous,
Twiggy,
yes, Penthouse,
Twiggy.
Then
you did the girl who sings Second Class, no give me no second.
Carol Gonzalez.
Yeah. Zane, Terry Fabulous, Daddy Screw, Louis Culture. Plus, he did have Beanie Man and Little Kirk and Snagger Puss and the whole of this.
Yes.
Everybody at the same place. So, yo, you get a whole heap of knowledge because you're around the greats, the greatest of greats.
Yes.
So, and it was like a family. So, it was a great time, man.
That's
back then, yeah, Pusha come up and the thing. It was great, man. Can't complain.
That's which explains, because there's a label that came out which was called Vibes House. Yeah. That was the label that put out the Urkel rhythm and the acid rhythm and, you know, so and so rhythm. But that was a combination between Shocking Vibes and Penthouse, so them call it Vibes House.
Yeah, but it was Shocking Vibes label still, you know.
Ah, I see.
But that was just a second label where Shocking Vibes decide for put some other songs under. Just like how you have made up Madhouse and then them come extra with large. Extra.
Yes.
It's the same thing, but because a Penthouse, everybody want to have something to do with the house.
Yeah. Yes. Madhouse.
Because the name Shocking Vibes.
Yeah.
And then they are Penthouse. Them just say vibes house. You see me, and just use that as second label, different from them original shocking vibes. So I know the full 100 of how everything start, how everything begun, every single thing. We can't go on and on for hours.
Yeah.
Because I did somebody every single day for years. You know?
Well, you know, I'm getting a lot more than what I bargained for speaking to you, because I'm hearing some different history, and this is valuable. And this, by the way, folks, is exclusive information that has never, ever been aired out before. So thank you again, Alicat. I can't express my gratitude to you enough.
Yeah, man, definitely.
Man. All right. So, again, it was hard because I can play some more popular tunes, but I want to go into show, I wanted to show, you know, your diversity. But you know what? I'm going to keep it dancehall for now. I might just see if I can get a second edition of this type of interview with you, because there's a lot of songs we want to go into when it comes to you, because, you know. But anyway.
Yeah.
So you worked a lot with King Jammys.
Yeah,
also.
yeah.
Yes. So I'm going to drop a tune that came out in 2000 on a huge rhythm. There was a rhythm album put out by Green Sleeves and everything. And for some strange reason, your tune is not on there. And because of that, not a lot of people heard this song. Not a lot of people know it exists. So I need to play this for the sake of history, and then you can talk about the story behind it. All right?
Definitely.
Boom. Okay. So people, listen this tune and be amazed about why you never heard the tune before. All right? Ladies and gentlemen, again, this is the legend that is the Imperial Alicat. So let's roll. Tune number 5. This is Chat Bout Reggae, Candyman 45 Shop. All right, let's boom.
Hey, watch me, y'all them. Hey, watch me, y'all them. Hey, watch me, y'all them. How them a fling it up. Hey, watch me, y'all them. Hey, watch me, y'all them. Hey, watch me. Oh, you're going in a bed. Shot man like electric. Turn the y'all on them. And I say, oh, no majesty. And if you're sure, say you're tight under there, then now the day your boyfriend be a share. Straighten out your and make sure you do your duty. No ideas, man, and now work half of beauty. So make sure, say you style and prepare. And you're being ready for your push out no air. You better flip it anytime we are pumpy. Still now go flip when we are slam chunky. Well, it please we pump up and clumpy. And it please me when she get funky. Now fuck no gal if we know them a junkie. False influence, them gal they a monkey. She better make sure she see no smell skunky. Around the thing she would do a just punchy. But and I spend it dollar for. You don't mind you. You know man follow run no live like a scalawa. You know about this swallower. No matter Jennifer. Oh you want in a bed. Shot man like electric.
Yo. All right. There's another great history with the Jammys thing too, you know. And
yes, sir.
How Jammys end up them start run back the place back in a them time. I want to tell you too, you know. You know, say 2 tune me do on the rhythm there. You know, say me and Sean Paul have a combination on the rhythm there. And Jammys them never thought the song there. A thing named CM Brothers. Well, if you come from in the ghetto, you are the CM Brothers. And if you come from upper jungle, you are the CM Brothers. CM Brothers where y'all want get powers. But a unity you go give with the powers. And Sean Paul come in and say, well, if you come from Seaview, you are the CM Brothers. And if you come from Meadowbrook, you are the CM Brothers. CM Brothers where y'all want. Them never put out the song there. Seeing? And the CM Electric yeah, never go on the album. But you see, within that time there, Jammys did give me an advance for Vice, an album fee. But did I work on an album for Jammys, and the album don't no release yet, you know. The album still not released yet, but my Vice an entire album for Jammys.
I have a few tunes from that time period from Jammys, so yes.
Jammys Jammys have a lot of Alicat round here, but not release yet. The album for Jammys when not release. So, oh, we don't know, Jammys set him thing, and at one point, Jammys did kind of boil down in terms of the type of music when they put out.
Yeah.
See? I'm going to go run a War 21, them time the War 21, them fresh. I come off a sound and I go into the producing, and them doing at the studio, nobody now go around there. Around the empty. You see me? I'm going to go around there and them give me the slinting rhythm.
Yes.
I'm going to put a song on it to me and say, well, I heard from a friend today. They say that I'm in town. You know, because them time them here lock down the whole of downtown, them place there with some ghetto anthems, some dance anthems. I'm going to decide, say, I'm going to put that one up on 45. I'm going to voice it for them, and me and them have a whole of vibe. Nobody no know War 21 them yet, nothing, and they're around there, and I say, nobody not going to run the place. And the man them go so and give me bada. See?
Yes, you did two bada, right?
Yeah, me one of the first artists voice from bada.
Really?
And yeah. I want to tell you, me was the artist who left from Rona Jammys and go up a mixing lab, because up a mixing lab, every artist hang out. And there's a bounty killer them hang out, and everybody want the rungs, the stars them. So there's every artist come every day.
Yeah.
Power man, killer, Beanie man, everybody that them there so. And me go up, they go tell them, say, yo, you have some youth Rona Jammys have a rhythm name, bada. I want 21 underneath for go around, they go listen it. And from go up at the studio and let out the word, the man them swarm around there. Wow. And that's why you see the rhythm about two LP come out with a rhythm there about 3 hours. Enough song.
Brethren, I've got over 30 piece on it, on 45, 7-inch.
All right.
Yeah.
Oh, you end up at 30 song. You know why? Same reason. Nobody never did a go around the Jammys at the time. Round it empty. And when the man them hear that one with them, the Jammys no refuse it. Because yo, for a minute, them youth are fresh, nobody now come around here. Everybody just come sing.
Yeah.
No get refused. Because 2 songs put on the rhythm too, you know.
Yeah.
And to all the them pull up.
Yeah.
I just at the time the top artists them did make it.
Yeah.
But a 2 songs put on the rhythm. So it's a great relationship we have coming from there. But when we come back to the same rhythm where you said them never put out the song on the LP. 2 songs put that too. Bellias.
Yeah. Wow.
Song named Same Brothers and the Electric song.
Yeah.
So that was the history behind that. You see me, I say big up War 21 them.
Yes,
you see me?
yes,
But probably if me never did go out on the road and go tell the rest of the artists them at the time, say, yo, the man them have a bad rhythm, because them time them a word in the streets make strong. When we say something, a man jump at it. So when we tell them, say, yo, go around there, everybody find them.
You know,
and I saw Jammys just come take back the place in that era there and start hold back him energy.
You know what's crazy? I'll never forget this, right? One of my brethren them that go a yard, New Year, 98 going into 99. So he bought 2 tunes, which was this new King Jammy label that I'd never seen before because it was different from the one. And he brought back the War 21 and the Zebra.
Yeah.
So now, and then after a while, you started to hear a few, but in England, we didn't get everything at the time. So now that I got 30, them 30 didn't come to England. We didn't get them in the shop.
Yeah.
I got your tune them later on, you know, on these different websites, Japanese websites and rare. So, I mean, I was just amazed to find, because I got one of them first, then I got the next one and was like, yo, I didn't know, man. You did 2 on the rhythm and the 2 tune them bud. And what you're saying now, now it makes sense.
No,
there were so many artists. Huh?
Now everything I fall in place.
Yes.
With the puzzle where you'd have tried to figure out from then.
Yes.
Yeah, because I definitely saw it go. And Jammys never did have to release certain song at Jamaica and could have sent him have so much song on the rhythm, he could have just released an entire album in a Japan alone.
Yes.
So if my song never did take off at the time in a Jamaica, and just put it on the Japanese leg of him album and just send it over Japan.
Yes, of course.
You see me? So that was one of the things whether that happened at the time. So you don't know, you give and take, you don't know, just a part of the work.
Yeah. Well, at least you know, the tune them not steal, and somebody in the world has them, and I will definitely do my best to project them to the world.
Yeah, man.
By the way, man, if you don't have them tuned there, I'll send them on to you. You don't know, yeah? All right.
Yeah, man.
I've got a couple minutes left because the time's gonna run out. So I'm gonna log back out and then log back in. I just wanna close up with you and just discuss a few things, yeah?
All right.
So yeah, please. So log back in. Thanks very much. Everybody tuning in, do the same. Gonna log out, log back in. Boom, boom, boom. Give us 2 minutes. All right. All right. Boom, 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 boom. Waiting for the big man to come back in. Yes, sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. So, before you go, I just want to ask you, just for my personal curiosity, what is your connection to Tantrum record labels?
Tantrum record label. You know, it kind of faded in my brain. Tantrum label, Ufa label again.
That's what I was asking, because your name was on the label. It was the Champagne Rhythm. This was 1998. You had 2 tunes on the rhythm. So I was assuming, because it said A. Richards was the name of the executive. So I thought it was you. But that's why
name the 2 songs them when we did have on the rhythm.
All right. Boom, boom, boom. Let me play them quickly. Bam, 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 bam. If you remember it, right.
When them gyal make the road boy surrender. Hey, I'll catch the gyal them warm and tender. What you know? And then me a family tender. Check me. Aye.
I know this fully. Remember this perfect.
Go them gyal a look out for the true and tell. Which are by the legs and I bump and well. Face look cute from the shout 30 and tell. Far out your body from the days of Gabriel. Well, know that me the
pull up.
Umbrella. Me a blind to me baby from the day after that feel. Every child call who got more than the call. Go. Tell me got to work with it and not for the noise him. Bad man no in a them funny guy thing.
Hold on. Other song the Spragga Benz get, we know in a them funny guy thing, but man the wages, hold on. Yo, honestly, the amount of song when me sing star, I'm like you, me I forgot ask to send me back some of them, me I tell some of them.
Don't worry yourself, man.
Yo, too much music, but you know, what it happened is, I think it's a virgin with it have and in the farm the label, but he never did really have any advance for give me. I just tell him say, give me certain amount of rights.
Yes.
To song. You know, cause the music there's just plenty. I have so much lyrics. Me just free up and just write some song for some people. So I think that was how you see me name on the label and everything. We just ask a certain amount of percentage and certain rights in order and just do the songs for the brethren.
Okay,
yeah.
Cool. Because I know because Steely and Cleaver did build the rhythm, but I just wanted to clear that up. So thank you. Thank you for clearing that one up. But I just want to say again, I'd like to express my utmost gratitude, because I say this all the time, but I just like to, you know, for the sake of record, to say it to you, that you can spend money and get it in a day. You lose, girl, gain 2 in a day. But you see, once time is gone, it's gone. So you have decided to spend this time with me and us, to share this with us. And that is something that I take precious and I will never forget. And I'll be eternally grateful to you for doing that. So thank you so much for spending this time with us.
Yeah, man, every time, man. Bless up, man. And I want to tell you too, are the first from Instagram come out ever go live, you know. I don't know, me preserve the thing in the live yet. This is the first time I ever go Instagram and talk. So you don't know, I saw it go. It's a blessings.
Thank you so much. We will speak off the air, and I won't be a stranger. And then I'm gonna send on what you need to, you know, your thing then, because we, you know, when we see you out on road again performing, we'd like to hear some of them. Some of these.
Yeah, but you know, before I leave,
yeah,
I have to make the people them know, say, look out for Dancehall Knowledge Volume 4. Album is going to be a real solid album with some solid dancehall reality songs, cause I'm not gonna really to put a lot of negative songs and it's gonna be a lot of dancehall songs, but it's gonna be more on the positive level.
Yes,
and it's gonna have one particular song where I'm just about to drop the video named Champion.
Yes.
Can do that one live?
If you can, yeah. Oh, I can't. I don't think we have the technology to do any of that. But I mean,
man, that's acapella, man. Acapella right here, right now.
You're mad, of course. Don't ask. Of course.
It's nothing never happen for the time. Just humble and holy line. Never lose faith and commit no crime. Want fine tune your craft, keep a open mind. And when judge are ready, your time for climb. Better be sure and well divine. Imperial, pay him dues and me do the miles. Yep, Jah protect me in these perilous times. My cup run it over. Lady troubles, I don't want know her. Rust the stress and obstacles off on my shoulder. Long road ahead for mankind. The journey's not over. Give me the knowledge and the wisdom to discover. And no make me fear that we like powder. Jaja, I no kill you, Bill champion. Man a champion, Jaja, I no kill you, Bill champion. Me ready fi go uplift the nation. So, we just have them know,
yes, sir.
The levels no drop. The levels of the music. Yo, great songs we have for forward. So, Dancehall Knowledge I go be a solid album, so prepare for that one. Right now,
yes, sir.
In Jamaica, me have a song right now. It's on one of the charts, one of the local charts. I don't know if you don't know about Blacker Top 20 chart, but right now my song is at second spot for this week.
Boom.
In Jamaica, it's a local Jamaica chart. So you don't know the thing is happening same way.
Yes.
You see me? And a lot more to forward with. Because I don't know we are futuristic artists, you know.
Yes.
More time the songs that we release now is a little while back them build. So my think way ahead of the game.
Yes. And I will say, I mean, I remember first seeing your name on a tune. I believe it might have been 94. It might have been the Stone Love Leaping Frog rhythm. I could be wrong, but that's from what I can remember. Or it was Cell Block label, where Buju did have a song named Rampage and he have a tune for that. But basically,
no place in wickedness.
Yes.
There's no place in wickedness.
Yes.
Yes. Yo, all right, I'm going to tell the people them something. Before me really get the break in a late 96, I go in a 97, a whole heap of 45 minutes before that. And I build my craft, you know, from Stone Love. Me a Father Paul used to bring me home like every evening. Father Paul used to drop me home.
Yes.
Me used to there on a Stone Love artist till me I end up Bobby Crystal.
Yes.
Do a combination together. You know, and run a Black Scorpio and a lot of songs me used to do before me actually get my first. So we pay the dues over and over. Trod the road. Trod the road.
And what I was gonna say, from a lot of artists that were making the tune them from them time there, they're inactive, but you are active, you're still in the game, and you're still making pure bud song. So I just want to say congratulations, keep up the good work, and we love it, you know?
Yeah, and we just want the people them know say great music is still gonna be coming, and
yes.
you see how Father God him try to give me that image there way, cause him know me have a lot more work for be done.
Yes.
So I'm just give me a youthful image where I'm gonna make sure I always keep myself on a level. So crazy music I gonna keep coming, man, and believe me, people are gonna like hold me and I want to tell you real quick.
Yes.
The other day I put out a song and I send them to crazy. And you know the people them link me back and I say, which artist this or which artist this or which. And when I make them know say, and me, for some reason, it's like them can't, they like that it's mesmerized them.
Yeah.
Because just hear my voice. My voice can go in any range.
Yeah.
I can go grab like a Buju Banton, and I can sing high note like any singer. So I can always switch up the tone of voice. I'm so like a fresh act.
Yes.
And that is one of the key why I can maintain so long.
Yes.
You cannot be monotonous as an artist. And that is why, you know, here is some artists might lose out, and some artists still. Me one of the artists there where is an all-rounder. Bad pan one drop, bad pan dancehall.
Yes.
I have the reach.
Yes.
For fitting in any situation.
Yes, definitely. I played most of the dancehall tuner, but you've got a wide range of songs that you've done over the years up until now, and it proves exactly your point right there. So you know, again, as you know, I will do my very best to try and make sure I do my part to raise awareness to the greatness, you know, and pay homage, and you know, just. And you know what's interesting? I mean, you know, you had the Bounty Killer Beanie Man sitting the other day, and it shut down the whole internet. And it goes to show people love dance, people love reggae music. And Beanie Man and Bounty Killer, they didn't just come out yesterday. They're coming from a long time, exactly where you're coming from. So it's like people it's like there's a rediscovery of the music. People are going to go into, and they want to know the archives, who was Killer, who was Beanie Man. And with that, they don't come alone. On the rhythms that they are on, people like you make them rhythms. So people are going to dig up and find out who is this guy, Alley Cat. And wow, I didn't know this tune on this rhythm. All I got is the Beanie Man. I didn't know who is this Alley Cat guy. So again, I'm doing my part, and hopefully, you know, you just keep doing your thing. We love it. And appreciate the works, and thank you for sharing this platform with us.
Definitely. Fans, listen, I'm going straight to Dancehall Knowledge Volume 10. That is different. I'm gonna get a volume up to Volume 10, because I'm setting my catalog of foundation, you know.
Yes.
And I'm going to put out 10 albums. I reached 4 now, Dancehall Knowledge Volume 4, but I'm going all the way up to 10.
Yes.
I have enough material to accomplish the mission. So with that said, just know say a whole heap of music is gonna be putting out. I'm just spacing it, because I don't want music to really kill music.
Yes.
But a lot more is there that I have to put out.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much. I'm gonna just play another song. I don't know how much time you got, but I just wanted to just let the people hear the other range, because even of the 90s, this is not what we would have expected you to come with, but the way you sit on and you ride the rhythm is beautiful. So people, listen, this one was 1999. Again, Jammys was the establishment. This might have been one of the tune them that was supposed to be on this album that you're talking about, but we'll see.
I and I gonna fire for all inequity. Who don't want to see you them go through? Want to know? Who God bless no mankind.
Yo, people. people. Listen lyrics on the flow.
Well, them tell me this and I walk all over out and know with time. But we not about music like this track, I go blow your mind. Now the say we black, now the say we drop clean out of mind. While you know I move unkind, protect me from my enemies. Cause them no want see the youth them achieve. Iniquity goals want to career free. They describe them like the AIDS disease. Protect me from my enemies. God them no want see the youth them achieve. Iniquity goals want to career free. They describe them like the AIDS disease. Take full control, working to success. Big bad and bold. If I'm on the one drop, me rock.
Yo, DJ.
Yo,
Oh,
that
man.
song there was one of the biggest songs in Germany. That song that take me all over Europe.
Wow.
That song
Wow.
for the whole of Europe. That song there alone. And I can't tell you this. You know, so that song that never get crazy love at Jamaica.
Nah.
Never play upon the radio in Jamaica like that.
Crazy. That's crazy.
Here's a pillow and,
Yeah.
and probably the roundhead through them did that sing about weed. Me I try to remember some of this.
21 did another weed song. That one their name Ganja Smoke. Rare. Yeah.
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 But that song there was a big when we go up on the stage in Europe
Right.
and me sing. Protect me, I say. Nearly 50, 70,000 people are saying protect me from my enemies. Me I say no. I saw Jamaica say how them not run with that song yeah. So I saw we know the powers of the music. So me give thanks and I wanted to sing them that.
Yes.
Yeah.
There you go. Again.
Big tune.
Yes, man. Don't know. To be honest, I can't think of a tune that you've done that isn't a big tune from early till now. So, you know, again, thank you for your works. And, you know, thank you for sharing this platform with me and us today. Chat about reggae. So we might have you back again because there's a few songs, you know. But again, thank you very much for spending this time, man. Again, we'll speak off the air. And I'll send the tune them that I have from you so you can, you know, just listen and just nod your head.
Vibe,
and just,
vibe.
yes, man, vibe.
There's so much songs where, honestly, some of them fade away in the back of my brain. I don't remember enough of them. So
well,
that would definitely back. So and it would be good to add them from my catalog too.
Of course. Well, you know, Merry Christmas. I'm Father Christmas, so don't worry yourself. I'm going to deliver.
Yeah, the same like Matrix, DJ Matrix in Jamaica. Him say Merry Christmas every single day from January to December. Christmas with DJ Matrix. Big up DJ Matrix. Anyway, yeah.
Well, it's a celebration, so, you know, we have to just big it up. All right.
Definitely.
Mr. Alicat, again, thank you for your time. So, again, we'll speak after air. So, thank you very much, sir. God bless you. And everybody who's seen this post or the YouTube, make sure you follow and support every single thing this guy does. Do not wait to prop him up when he's dead. He is alive, well, bad before, bad now, and will be bad. See me? Ladies and gentlemen, that was Ali Cat. I think we've lost him anyway, but we will try and get up on something else. Yeah. I was just, all right. Yeah, man, big up New Kids. And big up everybody that tuned in, by the way. Yeah, this was the history that came out of this was just mad. So, again, thank you very much, sir.
All right, one more thing before the thing end. People.
Yeah.
I have the clothing line, Immperial Wear. Zoom it in.
Yeah, man.
Imperial Wear. I say we specialize in t-shirts, hoodies, female t-shirts. It's online. You can get a whole bunch of stuff. Imperial Wear, you know. One of
Give
the
us
links.
the website, please. What's
website is bonanza.com/Imperial Imperial Wear. Bonanza, www.bonanza.com/Imperial Wear. I see a whole bunch of stuff, because you know we have to venture out into other stuff, because that's how the thing, that's we, you know, we're talented like that. So when you see we're doing stuff, that's just we just like doing a lot of different things.
Yes, sir. And don't worry, I'll support that, you know, always. People won't be seeing me wearing that football shirt. Yeah, man. Sorry, we didn't hear. What was that? Say that again.
No, so just go up on the website, and anything you might like, a t-shirt, whatever, just get something, you know. All the fans them out there just support the same way, you know.
Most definitely.
Music
most definitely.
And fashion.
Most definitely. Most definitely. All right then, King, man. Respect again, and enjoy your day. Have a blessed day, and we will be in touch. Yeah.
All right. Touch base.
Yeah, man.
What's
respect.
Up?
Yes. Respect. I am. All right. Boom. Wow. 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 People, that was a madness, Aya. If you have any idea, if you don't have any idea, this guy was, is, and will be one of the baddest artists in the music industry, period, that transcends reggae. Because when people that don't even listen to reggae music hear his songs, it's madness. All right, let me just give you one or two examples before I get out of here. Boom, 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 boom. One or two examples. All right, listen to this intro, yeah.
All of me gyal them form a line, me see. All of me gyal them form a line. From your independent, me know what your time. And the chap, him a one of a kind. Me gyal, muggle from a gyal, you know where them sweaty. Now send for your carry, no smell like no seed. We get pretty looks in the medical center. Brag and go, and then your problem no rest on the next gyal shoulder. You have your premises, and you are the beholder. You can show your water, you no flat like boulder. Brag and go. Out house and every furniture white, carpet and floor a pink and gold stripe, ceiling fan, two door, fridge, bathroom set, and any girl you can go hype. You hear certain girl that get too bright, conversation pick up a pocket strike. Glad say you never talk on no man mic, so them can't have you live on no house that with life. We have to take a scan for some old bad scandal, appearance flap, them a live like Satan. Them life miserable, them can't get a good man, and we are right, them hide. Cause me love to see the girl them in them kind little talk. You looking nice as you walk. Me love to talk. Girl, so you see me really can't tell you way. Hear me want you to stay. That's okay. None of them a pose up on them shape like barrel. That man everywhere you them want go up foreign. Me know your ambition bigger than where enough of them come from. Them can't understand. Say you're just one man. Another say you're slang, girl. The long while if you know say your body good. You're not like that. As enough of them would. You live big. I said, we not in a them low game, no for cry shame. We see them on the main. Them a eat never better for and I explore. We are done in the core. From a day that eat fruit cake from the low place, then them deserve to bake. Well, you can't come near me, you're too crazy. You eat cheese and curly. We not school blue and I love that too. Man a bad man, so we not blow no blue. Yeah, we get loving in a whole heap of style. Not tolerate back and the double group. We not school blow and I love that too. Man a bad man, so we not blow no blue. Yeah, we get loving in a whole heap of style. Not tolerate back and the sing. Parliament, because the man a mind up. He man gonna die up. Can't explain. Parliament. I got some doubts because the world look like he and can't take up. Parliament, because the man a mind up. He man gonna die up.
I guess what, couple more, two more, and then we're gone. We have things for our door. But this was amazing history. The history that my man dropped, man, was crazy. Well, appreciate that. Ali Carter, the big man. Now let no boy telling no idiot thing. See it? All right. Boom. Two more tune and we're gone. This is what are we doing? This is 1998 again. Shocking back.
Well, them could have been full book hard up.
Bad man sitting. Listen, Julia.
We have a good. Hey, we tell them, how we have, hey, yo, how we have the brand on the leaf on the stem. Well, we not freer than nobody now, but from nobody. That's how we grow from day to day. Just we now flip like the pussy carrying you, chatty. We growing at the bad man way. Well, who we are happy them a try to pick happy when the purpose. That me not okay. Hey, when you see the hands left behind, don't take you ever take a shot. And the cat say, a guy little and a move like a sissy man now.
Guys, I've got to go, man. But it's been a great share. Thank you for tuning in. Look out for the YouTube channel because it's coming. I'm going to pretty up all these videos that you're seeing on here and make it nice and sexy. I've got a lot more things coming. You know me, it's not just this juggling. That's on the next level. But we're not talking business. Anyway, again, touch base with her later. Respect. Yes, thanks for tuning in, man. Peace. Bone Squad, Messiah. Audi, Messiah. Turboflex, Messiah. Importer, Messiah. Yeah, man. New kids, Messiah. Everybody that spent time in here, man. Respect. See it? All right. Boom, boom, boom. Gone.